Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Situated on 6.2 acres in a quiet neighborhood, Penal Rock Road, Trinidad, is this spacious single-story home which offers the buyer privacy and serenity. The property also has a detached guest house which consists of one bedroom, one bathroom, and a kitchen and a living room. The main house comes with spacious open concept kitchen and dining room, covered shed, fence perimeter, and its location is close to amenities such as schools, supermarkets, churches, and many more. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is TT 3 million or US $441,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.